Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to start on the Kyosho Hanging on Racer kit build series. So let's go ahead and start on page 4, step 1. Let's first understand what we're trying to do here. We're going to assemble all these together, and then on the end we're going to use this screw and thread it through this right here. Let's get started. Put this in. And notice this is half like that. The other end of this are going to meet and come together like that. So first the sleeve, then this. And I don't know if you can see, but there's the half right there. And I'm going to put in the other half. And like I said, this is the next piece. And we're going to put the screw through there. But before that, we're going to drop in a spring. It needs a washer next, but I'm going to thread the washer onto the screw first. Then I'm going to drop it on there. That part is done. All right, for the next step, we have A1 right here. We're going to put this on, this hole onto this stem, just like that. And you notice there's another hole right here, and that is going to meet, just like that. And we need to put one of these screws in that hole right there. Next, we're going to start with this and put the thin black rod onto it and just push down like that. Now we're going to work with these two pieces right here. So basically we're going to be sandwiching this in between here. So let's start with the small pin. And I'm going to put it right there and set it down. And then there is this silver pin that is going to go in this hole. And I'm going to start putting it together. And then put this in between. And like that. And then there's a last rod, and it's for this hole right here. Before we proceed, we need to put on one screw right here. All right, next step, I'm going to bring these three pieces together. I'm going to thread this end of the black rod into this hole right here. Just like that. And this piece I'm going to hold like this. And these two are going to match those two. And of course the black rod is going to rest in here. And now I'm going to lock them up with two screws. Okay. Of course, the last step is to join these together right here like that. In between, we're going to slip this in there. There's two little legs right here. Going to match it with those two holes. And I'm going to look very carefully to match them up with those two holes. When I'm squeezing it together, I need to make sure that is coming together. Okay, just like that. Now I just need to put these three screws on. And when you're done, it's going to look something like that. We've completed steps 1 and 2, and I'm going to call the video right here. Thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.